Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention to the safety video which will now be shown. Thank you.
Cabin crew armor door fan cross check.
Welcome on board Singapore Airlines. As the safety equipment on this aircraft may differ from that on other aircraft,
Please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey across our island.
there are details you would not want to miss. During takeoff and landing, ensure that your tray table is stowed away. Put the back of your seat upright and keep your shoes on. Before we take off, stow your luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment.
Make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened during taxi, takeoff, and landing. To fasten, bring the two ends of the seatbelt together until secure quickly. Tighten it by pulling on the strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. If you're in business class, pull the shoulder strap to fasten your seatbelt. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is let on, infants should be lifted from the bassinet and secured with an infant seatbelt belt. For your safety, always keep your seatbelt securely fastened when seated.